This video is going to show you how to remove the stand from an LG monitor. LG monitor stands are generally composed of two parts, the base that the monitor sits on and the body or neck that connects the base to the monitor. Lay the monitor face down and pat this surface to avoid scratching the screen. Then locate the screw underneath the base stand and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Using a flat tip screwdriver, push down on the clip to loosen it. Then pull out the stand cap. Lastly, using a screwdriver to unscrew the base stand. Then pull off the base stand. If you guys interested, purchase the LG monitor. The link is below. I hope you guys find this video helpful, so please subscribe and comment below what you think about it. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.